Let's talk. Let's talk business. Let's talk business English. This week, I thought I would give you your phrasal verbs in the form of a video so that you can listen to the pronunciation. In business, we always need some small talk, and everybody likes to talk about the weather. This is a bucket. When it's raining very heavily, we say it is bucketing down. So if you were to be caught in the rain when it is raining heavily, it would be like somebody throwing a bucket of water over you. You would get very wet very quickly. That's why it's bucketing down. This is a buckle. When you have to start working quite hard on something, you might say, I need to buckle down. Don't be confused with buckle up. If you travel a lot, you may be asked to fasten your safety belt, in which case somebody might say, please buckle up. More next week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. By the way, if you're a native speaker, try not to use these expressions too often with your non-native counterparts.